Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a logo or custom watermark to your videos using InShot app. So in here, I've already opened the InShot application. Now you can just start by clicking on the video, tap on new and choose the videos that you want to edit. So for example, in here I'm going to use this video. Click on a check icon, and now to add a logo, so I'm going to add logo first. You can just click on the PIP option, or picture in picture, and then you can just choose the logo. So for example, in here I'm going to go to photo, and here so you can just resize and adjust the placement. Usually you put it on top left or right corner of the video, and here you can also adjust the transparency. You can go to blend here and adjust the transparency to how you prefer. I'm going to just go with overlay and adjust the transparency. Hit on a check icon and make sure that it aligned with your video durations. Now you can add also a custom watermark. For example, here I'm going to just go with text. Here you can click on the text, and I'm going to just write watermark. You can change the color and the font. I'm going to go with white, and for the font, let's say I'm going to use this one right here, and then adjust the duration to match with the whole video like this, and I'm going to put it at the bottom. Hit here you can also change the transparency. You can use the slider. Click on a check icon. Here you can also adjust the position and transparency. Again, you can just double click on it and adjust the opacity in here. You can go to the left, the lower, or to make it transparent. Hit on a check icon. So that's how you can add logo and also custom watermark to your videos using InShot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one.